What's good, Grind Nation? Reggie P here. Hey, do you like to talk? And do people say you talk too much? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per minute with your voice. So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can make $100 per minute with your voice. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I tell you how you can make $100 per minute with your voice, let me tell you about what I have in the description below. Look for free giveaways. And these free giveaways, you're going to see a couple of free offers that I have for you guys that you can download right now and that will help you on your journey to making money online. So click in that area where it says free giveaways. Also have in the description below my #1 recommended method to make money on autopilot. This method is very good way of making money without doing any type of work, without doing any type of marketing. You just set it up one time and you start making money month after month on autopilot. So check that out in the description below. Also have other good opportunities and other free stuff also in the description below. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition I want to offer to you guys. Now, without further ado, let's jump into this. Now, it's 2 steps you need to accomplish to start making this $100 every minute with your voice. The first step is you need to get a microphone. So you need to get a good microphone because you're going to do a demo voiceover or a demo reel of your voiceover. And please, on this microphone, get a professional microphone that has a little screen over the microphone, because when you're speaking, some of your words have a tss behind it and you don't want to catch that while you're recording your voiceover. So check out that. So if you want to get a microphone like that and want to know how much it costs and if it's a microphone that you guys can afford, just check in the description below. It's a link that will send you over to that microphone and show you what type of microphone it is and how much it costs. Now, if this microphone costs too much, you can use your phone and just get a audio recording app and record your voice. And then to edit all the sounds and other things that's in the background, you're going to use this software called Audacity. So you're going to go to audacity.com and use that audio editor to edit your voiceover demo reel. All right, now you're probably wondering what to say in your demo reel. Well, to get an example of that, you're going to go to fiverr.com. Now, once you go to fiverr.com, you're going to search voice actor or voice over. So once you search that and you find one, click on that and just listen to their sample voiceovers, and you're just going to go ahead and duplicate what they have down for your demo reel. Now, after you got your demo reel completed, the next step number 2, you're going to go to these 2 websites. The first one is called voices.com. Go to that website and submit your demo reel to them. And then you're going to go to the next website, which is called voice123.com. And you're going to go to that website and also submit your demo reel to that site also. And after you do that, next thing you have to do is just kind of like sit back and wait for them to email you to let you know that you've been approved to be a voice actor for those websites. Because they have a lot of clients. They have big companies that go to these sites to look for voiceovers for commercial ads, video ads, whatever they need. So they're looking for good, professional, clear voices. Now, you don't have to have the best voice in the world. You just need to be able to speak English and speak clearly. And this is available worldwide. So, as long as you speak English, matter of fact, they have other languages that they cater to too. So you don't have to just speak English. You just need to know how to speak clearly and professionally. All right. So that's the steps you need to take, and that's what you need to do to make $100 per minute with your voice. All right, so that's all I have for this video. And for watching it to this point, let me tell you about the proposition I want to offer to you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in this video, and all my videos is leading up to my 500 subscriber video. So once I get there, what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment and reward them with the free money. Now I'm currently at 327 subscribers, so I got a little ways to go, but I believe I can get there. Please guys, help me get there. So what I'm going to do is, once I randomly pick a comment, I'm going to reward the first person with $20 cash or $20 Amazon gift card. Choice is yours. And the next person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. So all you have to do is just leave that comment down below and subscribe if you're new. Come on guys, destroy that subscribe button. Destroy it now. So if you're new, let's get to 500 subscribers. Now if you're not new and you've been checking out my videos, let's go out there and share this on every social media platform on the internet, and let's get more people to subscribe to my channel so I can give away this money. It's just sitting there for the taking. $20 is sitting there. $10 is sitting there. So $30 is sitting there for 2 people to get this right now. So help me get to 500 subscribers. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please, again, hit that like button if you like what I'm talking about today. Drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Share this on social media platforms everywhere on the internet. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, now I'm done. Now I'm finished. Now that's a wrap. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay here and watch my most recent video right here, right after you hear this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch that video. Peace, y'all.